Hello class, Miss Jen here. Straightening my hat. And there we go. Alright, hey, it's probably about right here, the 27th. Yup, 26th, 27th, it's study day. That means tomorrow on the 28th, the very last day of February, is the test. So as always, you have your study guide here. If you can answer all these questions, you're probably in a pretty good position to do well on the test. We've got our happy little forum, our discussion posts chilling over here. Feel free to post any questions and perhaps your peers can help you out, or you can just inbox me directly. Most of you just put, like, I'm ready to beat this test, Mr. Yund. Great. I was looking at the test. It's pretty standard Yund test. There's a lot of matching at the beginning with all the vocab. Multiple choice going generally in the order of the lessons as they appear. Some of them you've seen before, some of them you haven't. And then there's an essay question on the back end about the Columbian Exchange. So make sure you know what the Columbian Exchange is and maybe be able to provide an example. That would probably serve you well. And that's pretty much it. Good idea to maybe reread the chapter before you try to knock that test out. So at the very least, if you don't remember something, you'll remember what lesson it may be in, so you can look it up. Let's see, after Age of Exploration and Trade, we're getting to Scientific Revolution and the Enlightenment. And then Political and Industrial Revolutions, that's where all these ideas take effect. And you have the U.S. Revolution in Chapter 23, as well as the Industrial Revolution and the French Revolution. All kinds of revolutions. But for now, let's knock out 21. And we'll be on to 22 in a day or so. Good luck on the tests. Let me know if you need me.